guys, welcome back. So today I'm showing you everything that I've been purchasing for our upcoming cruise. Now, we've never been on a cruise before, so I am kind of nervous. I think I've watched enough videos, it took down enough information to kind of feel okay-ish with everything that I got. But if I missed something, and if you like a cruise veteran and you have something to add, definitely leave it in the comments below. I greatly appreciate any advice that anyone might give me. The first thing that I knew I had to get was all sorts of anti-nausea medicine. Now, we typically do well. I can't say that any of us ever really gets sick. There was this one time when we went on a whale excursion, and it was like a ferry-ish boat, and the seas were rough like this, and it was tough. But I'm thinking that it's a bigger ship, it's not a ferry, so maybe we should be fine. But just in case, here's everything that I got. And I also have prescription medication for myself just in case, and I probably should call my kids' doctors and see if they could give them something too, just in case. The first thing I got was the bands. So I got one for each of us. I don't know if they're gonna work, but we have them. I also got Dramamine. This one's for kids, it's chewable. This one's less drowsy. Never taken Dramamine, but the fact that you could potentially be drowsy makes me not even want to take it. So I don't know, but we have it. Lastly, I got this. It's a natural something, I guess maybe oil that you put behind your ears, and it's natural and it's safe for pretty much anybody. So I don't know. I think I also picked this up in Walmart probably in May. Also got these candies. I've never had them. I don't even remember where I picked them up. Maybe Stop and Shop, maybe Trader Joe's, I don't know. But some people say that when they are nauseous, this helps them a ton. So we have this as well. I picked up 4 hooks. These are magnetic hooks. People said that it's great to have them because some doors in your stateroom are metal, so it's perfect to hang up towels or lanyards or anything and everything that you might want to just get off the floor or off the counter. I don't remember the weight on this. I want to say maybe these are like 30 to 40 pounds. I don't think I'm gonna be hanging anything that heavy, but I guess it's good. And I got this off of Amazon. I've never been on a ship. I don't know how dark it gets at night, but people also have said that it does get dark at night in your stateroom, and I just want to make sure no one's tripping, no one's falling. So I got these motion sensor lights. There is 6 of them. They're pretty small. I actually haven't tested them out, and I actually forgot that I have to put batteries in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I'm excited to show you these next items. I'm like geeking out over them. I never even knew that such things existed until I got into the Facebook group for my cruise, and I just went down the rabbit hole and I was like, well, I need this. I ordered this from Etsy and it came out absolutely amazing, so let me show you. So these are the door magnets. Oh my god, like, people think of everything. I am just so excited for this since it is a Halloween cruise and Haunted Mansion movie just came out this year. I thought it was only fitting to do Haunted Mansion theme. So let me show you these a little bit up close. Let me show, there's a lot of them, so I'm going to show you as quick as possible. Love her. So this is what the back looks like. I didn't know what to expect, and I mean, I think it looks fine. I think it should work fine, but I did read some reviews on this particular seller's page that people were kind of disappointed. They thought like the whole thing was magnetic, so they were like, this is like some cheap crap. But I actually think it's done very well. I don't know, but customer service with this particular seller is I don't know. I don't know. This is good, but the customer service is not so good. Anyways, let me continue. So of course I have Chip and Dale. I mean, they are just the cutest. I love them. And we have, I guess it goes around the center of the door. I don't even know what that's called, but we have Scrooge. I don't know what this guy's name. I mean, I know, but I forgot. Help me out. Leave it in the comments below if you know. And then we have Goofy. So they all kind of, I guess, go in like, you know, like a half a circle, and it goes around. I think it's the stateroom number, and this just goes all around it. So it's gonna look super cute. I'm so excited. And then I just got Welcome Foolish Cruisers. I thought this was super cute. And then we have the clock, and it says it's 13 o'clock somewhere. So I thought this was cool as well. So I'm so excited for this. Now, people definitely participate in like pixie dust and random pixie dust and this and that. I mean, there's so many things, and I definitely didn't want to like commit to anything crazy because this is my first cruise and I don't want to be overwhelmed. Like, I want to enjoy and experience the cruise, and I want to be like worried around about delivering things to other cruisers or anything like that. Maybe on our next cruise, if we go, we'll do it. But for this one, I figured, like, I don't know, I still want to, I guess, participate in one way or another. So I ordered this from another Etsy shop, and essentially you could put pencils or lollipops in here, and you could use one of the magnetic hooks and hook it to your stateroom door. And I guess, you know, kids can walk by and just grab a few lollipops, and I got a bag like this from Costco of lollipops. Yes, so that's that. So I'm so excited, and I told her that Haunted Mansion was our theme, and she custom made this for me. Another thing, obviously, we've never done, and I didn't even know that people do it, is the ducks. The ducks. Look at the ducks. So of course we had to go to Amazon, and we ordered a bunch of different ducks, and then of course we had to take it another notch up and order the little card. It's also from Etsy, and it just kind of says some of our information, and then it has our Instagram account, and I'm so excited for this. At first, I really didn't want to do the ducks, but I knew that as soon as my kids get on the ship, this like scavenger hunt for finding ducks, hiding ducks, and so on and so forth, and like having this adventure, I guess, in one way or another, I knew they're going to want to participate, and I know they both are gonna be like, Mom, we should have gotten the ducks. So I said, all right. I don't know how many we have here, but I think it's about 30 ducks. So I'm pretty happy the way these tags came out. I think it's absolutely perfect. People also recommended bringing reusable mugs or like water bottles and things like that. So I am bringing this one. I just got it on our last Disney World trip. I love this one. Oh my god, so beautiful, so beautiful. So I guess this will be for my water. This is one of my kids. I just have to find a straw. This was from Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party a couple of years ago. So this will be good like for water or soda for them. And I got this one for myself for tea. I don't drink coffee. I thought the size was perfect, and it has a little handle. So this will be perfect for my tea. I love that. And then this is for my other kid, also for water, because my other one just drinks water. These were from Home Goods. This one was $9.99, and this one was $14.99. And then I got this one, my wine, if I want to drink wine in my stateroom, and this one was $6.99. It was also from Home Goods. So that was like one of the bigger recommendations that many people suggest, because apparently, you know, water is expensive and you don't want to keep going back and forth to get the free water or the soda. So people recommend to get bigger cups, so that way you don't have to go back and forth 100 times. Some thank you cards, so I guess I could use them if, you know, we want to leave an extra tip for somebody and so on and so forth. So I figured this would be a great idea. I could write a little thank you note. Next two items, I did show them, I think, in one of my Disney packing videos, but they were new, and I actually got them to test them out on my Disney trip that we just came from. But mainly I got it for the cruise, because, you know, everybody complains that there's no space or not enough space, and you just want to keep things you know, away from everything. So I got this one. I ended up not using this one on my last Disney trip because it just felt too big. So I did use this one, which is a little bit smaller. I will probably, I don't know, take this one or maybe the other one. I don't know. Now, as far as outfits and things like that, I didn't go crazy. I mean, my kids have so many things and I just didn't want to buy new things. This actually I bought months and months and months ago, and then I was like, oh, perfect, we're going on a cruise. How convenient. So I hope it still fits them. It should. So on the pirate night, they will wear these pirate shirts, and we also have the pirate hats that we got in Disney. Just a second, let me show you, because I did show it to you guys in my Disney haul video, but let me show it to you here. These are the hats. Don't even ask me how we brought them home from Disney on the flight, but I figured this was gonna be my one splurge for them, and those t-shirts, and that's it. I'm not going all out dressing them or anything like that, keeping it simple, and we'll probably, I don't know, end up donating these somewhere on the ship. I don't know, because I don't know if I want to bring them back home. For Halloween, I just figured we're going to reuse Mike Wazowski and Solly. This is what I purchased a couple of years ago. I think last year when we went to the Halloween party, but I actually had to get a new one for Aiden, or Aiden was this, I don't know, because for Aiden this one was smaller, so I had to like size up myself. I don't even know where it is, but I got a t-shirt from Etsy and it's Roz and it says always watching, so I'm gonna wear that. And you know, she has like those funky glasses, so I figured maybe I'll get glasses as well, but I haven't picked that up yet, so let's see if I'll do it. This part kind of was a little bit confusing. It seems like some people actually pack lots of snacks and some people don't. I don't know, but obviously I have kids, so I'm going to bring snacks that they love and enjoy. But I figured I'll also get some candy, I don't know, for movies or shows, or I don't even know. I don't know how much candy kids get during trick-or-treating, but I figured I'll just get a little bit and that's it. So let me show you what I got. So I got these little M&Ms for them for the entire trip, for them both, so they're sharing. It's too much candy. My kids enjoy these. This is from Kinder, just like regular milk chocolate, so they're like little Disney characters, I think, or Marvel, so they like these. Essentially exactly like that, but just like in little individual bars. Yeah, these are individual bars. All these candies have been available in the European stores for years, but now they're coming more to like the regular supermarkets. So my kids essentially grew up eating these. A box of Chips Ahoy cookies. Not my favorite thing, but for the trip. One of my kids love these cookies, but I don't know if they're going out of business or something's happening, because we have like last 3 boxes and I haven't seen anything anywhere in stores or online, so he's going to be devastated when he finds out that they're no longer producing these cookies. So bringing that for him. And then for myself, I'm bringing these. I get them from Trader Joe's. They're so delicious, so I figured I'll have a nice yummy snack. And one of my kids also likes this Trader Joe's golden berry blend, so I'm gonna bring a couple bags of this as well. Guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, especially if you're a first-time cruiser or a new cruiser, or you're just exploring Disney cruises or some other cruise. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful. Definitely also join a Facebook group for your particular cruise and your particular sailing. That is so helpful. Any tips or anything that I might have forgotten, definitely let me know down in the comments below, and I'll see you real soon. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.